the giraffes are herbivores. We feed them lots of different types of leaves. Their favourite is acacia, although they do eat a variety of different species of browse. And we grow used to grow leaves for the herbivores. We also feed them hay, pellets, and today they're getting a few special treats. A little bit of carrot, sweet potato and lettuce, which I think they'll love. Colour. So they all have slightly different colours, markings, spots and lines, which is useful for them. Next is Harold, who's the dominant male at the moment. He's the leader of the giraffes, and he's the oldest, he's 17. Behind him is Jesse, who's 4. Wayo, who's the youngest, he's 3. Then we've got Charlie, David at the back, and David's a little bit darker.
Pinsan mo daw. Grabe ka naman. Gorilla? Gumagalaw. Batuin mo.
No, it doesn't move. Tapos biglang tumalon dito eh, no?
Hindi malalim naman natin. Feel ko parang malalim.
Pero hindi siya gumagalaw eh.
Let's go.
That's Daddy's cousin.
Bakit tayo makarating ng ano ah?
Saan? Mga koala.
Kuala labas.
Koala din po.
O, nasa Kuala Lumpur. See?
go in?
Yes.
Thank you.
You have to close it. So, ayan po ang ating mga koala. Sila po ay mahihain.
Oh, dito maganda, may ganito po.
Ninipahat.
Pwede mo po.
Snake also live in this habitat. Please leave them alone.
Leave them alone, pero sabi mo sa snake, leave me. Ay nako, ano na naman, may gumagalaw. Yung butera. We just swing on the rope.
Blue ring. There's so many.
Uy, green yung beak nila, oh.
Ito po ang ating mga koala. So, yan. Yan po ay ang kamag-anak ni Charat. Ranger Village. Dito matatagpuan ang mga
Oh, crocodile. Breathing area. No entry.
no entry. There's no exit as well.
Gago.
No entry because you will no exit.
Will be dead. Magiging, no, sa tail.
Kilala niyo po ba si Mufasa? Siya po ang Lion King nung panahon ni bago ang panahon ni Simba.
Lapit na. Babae kinukla eh. Hindi ukla sa abo pa.
Bakit may tumatay? Wanted liquors.
Oh, crocodile. O kaya to?
Pero dito ano? Woo!
Yes.
Uy, ano yun? Ba't may tumatawa?
Nasa taas. Nasa taas.
Putik ba siya?
Challenge! Bakit kasi tayo dito dumaan?
Sa ilalim.
Ay baka nandun.
Sa ilalim.
Meron pa dun eh. Tara, pa tayo dun. Wala akong makita ang hipo ah. Asan na ang mga hipo?
Saan?
Where are you guys?
Saan yung nito?
I think there are around